Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGen That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Rumble, ticker symbol RUM. And so here we are looking at the daily chart on the evening of Wednesday, April 10th, after Rumble closed at a price of $6.90, being up just about 2% on the day and continuing higher, closing the after hours session at $6.93. And so I do find this pretty exciting because I believe in last week's video, I pointed out this previous low of $6.22, and I was concerned that price might be going lower than that, or if it did go lower than that, it would be bearish. And on Monday, April 8th, we actually did see a price lower than that, hitting a low on the day of $6.20. So I was wondering if price was going to drop, if it was going to start going lower. But we did not see that. We actually saw this very nice hammer candle, this very long bottoming tail at the base of that. So, that got me thinking that this was really just a sweep of this prior low. Anybody who might have viewed this as being a dangerous level to cross might have put a stop loss at $6.22, or perhaps maybe just below it, 621 or 620. And, thinking that if price did hit that level, it would continue lower because it would kind of break the pattern that has happened with this being a double bottom that would be breaking that, suggesting further downside, kind of negating the inverse head and shoulders pattern that I have previously gone over. And, price did sweep below 622, but then got a very nice bounce, being up on the day about 1.5%, and then on Tuesday, continuing up about 3.5%, and then 2 more percent up on the day relative to that previous day's close, actually creating a bullish engulfing candle on the day Wednesday, April 10th. So, looking pretty good there. Also closing above the 786 level here at a price of $6.86. And so, I feel at this point that the bottom is in. But, if it is not, I do think a close, not a wick below, but a close below $6.22, or especially $6.20, would be very bad. But, current price is, 70 cents above that right now. So I think we are looking pretty good. And I could see this making its way back up to test this purple line, which is the neckline of this inverse head and shoulders pattern that I've gone over multiple times on the channel. And, I was thinking that we had this little cup here, but then this dip below did not look so good after we formed this double top here. But, if this does not go, lower, or at least not much lower than the peak of this right shoulder here, it did go 2 cents lower on Monday. As long as that is the low, though, I think that we could be heading back up to this purple neckline to confirm above it to complete a measured move, which would be bringing price up to right around $12 or $13 a share, which is above $10 a share, which is what people were talking about before. But, I do think that looking at the chart right now, looking at the current price just below $7 a share, I still think the $7 a share sale is still going on, but it may not be lasting long, especially if we start to make our move towards this neckline. $8 could be in the rearview mirror as well as $9 a share, getting back to and closing above this previous high of $9.20. It's quite possible we'll be seeing that in the next month, and of course it is quite possible we might be seeing $13 or if not $12 a share. And so that is what I am hoping for, and I am happy that I was able to pick up more shares on the downside during this dip here, and I'm also prepared to add more if it does dip a little bit more or just pull back some from 690. I'm pretty excited about this. I'm very excited about the Rumble chart. I hope you guys are too. But, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.